I just came up with this crazy ass idea because I heard it in the Juice WRLD Lucid Drink song. I was like, how the hell did they get the reverse reverb in the echo for the shit without having to do all the extra shit to get it? But I came up with a good idea. I used the fucking H verb, nigga. This what it sounds like without it. Alright, so we're gonna play it with the beat. I know you want me back and I can't go back to you. I know you want me back, but I won't go back to you. You won't catch me slipping. Alright, let me put it on with the real. Let me see with the delay. Let's see what we got. I know you want me back and I can't go back to you. I know you want me back, but I won't go back to you. You won't catch me slipping. I mean, that's cool, but like, we wanted this shit to be like epic, cause like the song is just like a whole long interlude, like just on some random shit, just how you just getting your feelings out, you feel me? So like, let me turn this off. So like, how I wanna do it is like, I got the H verb on, you know what I'm saying? I got it set a certain way. I can't really pull it up because it's like while I'm recording, like it's gonna fuck around and like crash and shit. Like, I ain't got time for that. But let's see. Let's play with it. Let's see what it sound like. Alright, so cool. It sounded like it was cool, you know what I'm saying, all the way through. But like at the end, like it did something that it shouldn't have did, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fade that out. Let's play it. Let's play it. Alright, but like how I did it though, like in the H reverb, like I just came up here and hit reverse up here. But what you can make it interesting is like when you can tweak all this different stuff. You can control the input, the output, you can compress it, you got an envelope, you know what I'm saying? You can filter it, you can see how wet you want it to be, you can change the envelope, the LFO, you know what I'm saying? And we can do so much with it. So let's say I want it to be like, I want to boost this up, song. I want to change the output. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna go back. Let's play it. That's crazy, right? But though, you know what I'm saying? Like me though, you know what I'm saying? I like to make shit epic. So I'm gonna come in, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this 7-band on. I'm gonna try something real quick. See what it sound like if I put this filter on. Give it that radio effect. Let's see what we got. Shit pop still, so that bitch gotta come all the way down. If I need it, I pull it back. Alright, make it a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna go and add another one of my favorite plugins. Boom, yeah. And I'm just gonna give it like a random preset. Let's give it the jitters. Let's see what we got. try it. Let's see what we got. I gotta bring it back up. Bring it back up. Bring that shit up to like 0.
Sorry if I ever made you feel special. Baby girl, you're this bitch. I know I promise you forever. Sorry if I ever made you feel special. Baby girl, you're this bitch.
Alright, so that's cool. That little ending right here. Cut that.
I know I promise you forever. Sorry if I ever made you feel special. Baby girl, you're this bitch.
Yo, like that shit is hella creepy and I fuck with it dumb hard. But that's how you do that though. You feel me? Like, yeah.
If you're different. Falling in my feelings, hate what you get. You feel special, baby girl, you're this bitch.
Yo, and that's how we do it, you feel me? So fuck with me. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. If it's on Facebook, share this shit, nigga. Stop playing with yourself. Yeah.